So let's add in all our herbal powders: turmeric, camwood, sandalwood, bentonite clay. All these help to get rid of pimples. They are all treatment powders, and trust me, this product is very active for the face, for pimples, for dark spots. So we have here herbal water, popularly called as omiaro. So this is going to help to dissolve the product, also help to balance the pH of the face. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Extreme Therapy. If this is your first time on my channel, please click on the subscription button so you get notified anytime I post a video. So today we are going to be looking at how to make treatments face soap that will help to treat anything on the face, any face challenges. So what we are using today is going to be Farmadem soap, bleaching 2000, and Ghana black soap, African black soap. That's what we are going to be using. So we are using bleaching 2000, half of it. Like you see, the half I'm holding here, I've already shredded all the soap. Then the other carrot soap we have there is a Farmadem soap. Farmadem soap is actually very good. And the third soap we are having here is Ghana black soap. We all know that Ghana black soap is very good, but it's a soap that you have to make sure you formulate very well, else it's going to still cause more harm to your face. So what you need to do is you just need to blend to grate them together. I've already shared the portion I want to use. I'm using half of the soap of all the 3 soaps in it. So the next one we are going to be doing is for us to measure out the botanical powders we are using. This is sandalwood powder. Sandalwood powder is very good for treating of the face. We are using just 1 spoon of sandalwood powder. After using this soap, you're going to see that all your acne, all your pimples will go away, all the discoloration, you have a uniform tone. Then we have here camwood. Sorry, we have here cinnamon. Sorry about that. We have here cinnamon. We are using the same 1 tablespoon. We are still going to add camwood to it. So cinnamon powder has a lot of benefits, both for the skin and also for the body. Then we have here bentonite clay. If you don't have bentonite clay, you can still use fuller head clay. But I love bentonite clay because it helps to dry up the excess sebum. It helps to balance the pH. You can mask your face like this with just bentonite clay with rose water. Then we just had 1 tablespoon of this. This soap is very active. So what you just do is for you to massage this soap on your face. Please don't keep it long because of the pH level of the black soap. Then we have here a neem powder. Whenever you are making any products for the face, especially for any face challenge, for stuff like breakouts, make sure that you include neem. You can add neem to your soap, you can add it to your scrub, but you shouldn't add neem powder to your face cream. You can rather add neem oil. So we are using the same 1 tablespoon of neem powder. Neem powder is very, very active for the face, for pimples, for breakouts. It's very okay. So the next ingredients we are adding here is turmeric powder. Yeah, turmeric powder. You can even make a turmeric mask like this with just turmeric and a milk on your face, and you're going to love the outcome. But what I don't like about turmeric is just the color. Then what we have here is salicylic acid. So when making products for face, be it a toner, be it only cream, be it a toner, be it a cleanser, make sure you add salicylic acid to it. Then we have here our camwood. We are still going to add just 1 tablespoon. So these are all the botanical powders that we are adding to this face soap. Is it not amazing, man? It's very amazing because the uses of these powders alone, it helps to treat. So combined with bleaching 2000 soap, then Farmadem soap. Farmadem soap is very minty. So that's why I say don't leave this soap on your face for too long, because it might be too harsh on your face. Make sure that you immediately just rub it on your face. You have to wash it off immediately. This is about water omiaro. Omiaro is usually extracted at the process of making black soap. So Omiaro it works for pimples as well. It's very active for white patches. Then we have here Melly White. If you can see this Melly White, the green one is very good for pimples. It's raising the anti-pimples. So since we are making product that is going to help us to get rid of pimples, we should be adding this. This is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is very good. Then we have here frankincense essential oil. These oils, tea tree and frankincense, we are going to be using them just in drop. And we have here mint oil. All these 3 oils are going to be in drops. So what we do, we bring back our soap that we have already graded. Then we added all the powders that we have measured out already. Then you make sure you stir it very well for it to incorporate. But you still have to know that you cannot just make this soap that particular day and you want to use it that day. Hell no, you have to keep it for it to dissolve. Then we had our Omiaro. You stir it very well. I want this soap to be very soft, so I'm adding Omiaro here. I'm still going to be adding Melly White cleanser, the one for pimples. If we are treating something for sunburn, would have been adding the one for sunburn, which is the yellow one, but this green one is for anti-pimples. So you can use it like that. If you can't use it like that, make sure you dissolve it. Make sure you dilute it, because it's very ash. It's not everybody that can use it. I personally, I can't use it like that because my face is very, very sensitive to stuff like this. So we want to stir it together. You have to stir it together for you to make sure that all the ingredients does not really settle in one part, but it has to really go round. Then what we had now is our Melly White cleanser, with our Melly White cleanser in it. We're not going to be adding much because I don't want the soap to turn watery. So whenever you are making this soap, if you notice that it's too thick, you can add any liquid. If you want to add water, make sure it's distilled water. Don't just take water from your pump and add it like that. Then you can just use your cleanser to dissolve. You can use rose water. Rose water is best also. So want to stir this very, very well. You want to stir. There is no how it's going to melt on that day, that same day, no. So what we are adding here is our mint oil, just few drops. We are adding just 5 drops of mint oil to it. Then make sure you stir very well. The next oil we are going to be adding is going to be frankincense essential oil. Frankincense is very good for breakouts. If you are breaking out, you can add these drops of essential oil to your bathing water, to your scrub. And please make sure you change your pillowcase. Make sure you change your bedspread. One thing we need to understand is that it's not about the product you use, it's about how you even care for your skin. Product is not enough for you to say I'm taking care of my skin. You have to change your bedspread, you have to change your pillowcase, especially when you have an oily skin, because all those oily skin is so much trapped to bacterials that when you sleep on a dirty bed sheet like that, it's going to break you out the more. Please, if your face is very, very sensitive, very, very oily, you have to get your face towel. Yes, you need to use a different face towel to wash your face. Please don't sponge your face. Don't use your body sponge on your face. So make sure you stir it very well. We are going to keep this soap for the next 24 hours. Then we will be back. So guys, welcome back. This is after 24 hours, and you can see the soap all has melted. This is the consistency we have here. So if your soap is too light, you can add more base soap to it, which is the black soap. Then if it's too thick, you can add more liquid to dissolve it. So it has melted, but I still haven't gotten the consistency. So I'm going to stick blend it for it to be very, very smooth, because I don't want to have any particles in it. I want it to be very smooth. I want it to be so fluffy. Just massage this soap onto your face and wash off immediately. But you know that if you know your skin is not sensitive, you can leave it for like 5 10 minutes. But if your face is sensitive, make sure you wash off immediately. So if you know you love this video, you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel so that YouTube will show this video to more people like you. So thank you so much for staying up to this minute. We are going to leave our number at the subscription box, so you can reach out to us for inquiries, for complaints, for recommendation. We are always open. You can call us, you can message us on Instagram at Extreme Therapy, Facebook at Extreme Therapy. Our WhatsApp number is there. We also have our website at www.extremetherapy. So you still have to use other things if you really have much pimples, like getting a very good cleanser that contains salicylic acid. Can do mild exfoliating, but if your face is sensitive, you should avoid scrubbing your face. But make sure you cleanse your face. Make sure your face is always dry. And you have to be mindful of the food you eat. Yes, that reminds me. You have to be mindful of the food you eat. You change your bedspread. You just make sure that you have a good skincare routine with it. So don't just put all your hope on just soap, because it's a wash off thing. So guys, look at how the soap look. Oh my god, it's so nice, and the fragrance because of this essential oil is heavenly. So thank you for your time. Thanks for sticking to this brand. Thanks for watching. We will leave our number at the subscription box, so you can always reach out to us at Extreme Therapy. We will be there to attend to you anytime, any moment. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Show me love now. You know it's not easy. So, and if you want us to talk about any products, don't forget to leave it at the subscription box. Thank you so much. See you on my next